This video will show you how to fix I and M grade. In here, we'll see how to fix it. We'll do the example on the section number 5. Add the score input. The same way as the input the score, as you have to prepare your scores. In here we have 3 lists of scores. As well is taste, midterms, finals, according to your list of score in the sheet. And in here, we can click to show or not show the score to the student as well. In here, we can click save and then proceed to next step. In here, in the same way of the score input, you need to import the score, download the forms, and then copy the score from the sheet to the forms. Here we have to delete data that you did not need it. From the score, as you can see, we have incomplete and missings. The missings we're giving to the students who are missing the final examinations and as well the midterm examinations. And incomplete, if you find that the students did not complete the tasks or missing the quiz, but you did not want to give the 0 score to the students, you can put incomplete or I for the students. Or any missing the scores that you did not complete it, you can leave it blank and we will show you how to correct it. Copy the data from the list to the forms. Recheck again and save the forms. Then we can select the file and import the scores. In here we will see the missings are, and the incomplete one will show you in the pink block, which is did not have the scores. And if you want to keep the M and I to students, you can edit the grade manually. Here you have to select M for missings, I for incomplete. Or if you don't have the score, like here, we don't have the score for the students. Either they miss the quiz, miss the midterm exam without any notifications, then you leave it blank, then you don't have to put the I and M for them. When you click save, the score in here will show as manual because they did not calculate from the scores that you put in the systems, but by the grade that we are corrected. And the system will show M and I depending on what grade that you selected. Next step, we have to transfer the grade to the adjust grade. Once you transfer, you see in here, as they don't have the scores and the total scores, they are lower than 50 or any minimums score that you set, they will automatically change to F right away. But if the scores is more than the minimums of D, and this one will show as D as well. But any students which we select to I and M will not get F or any grade. And when you are rechecking your scores in the sheet or anywhere and you found out that the student actually have the scores and then they fix it, or they contact to the lecturers to retake the test or retake the quiz and then they got the score, we can edit the score. Here, if the student got 40, the student got 20, maybe 30, and this one got 10, and they submit the retakes and they get 35. So one get 5 and this one get 5. After that we save. As you can see right now, all the scores is already in the place, and then all the pink box is already gone, and score is changed from F to grade that student got. Except for I and M, that we have to change manually. However, if any course or any students who change the grade, you need to click transfer every time that you change the score or change the grade. Otherwise, if we print the grade right now without transfer the current grade, the report will show the old grade that we input into the systems. Here, this one, these students, number 14, get F actually, and then they fix it to C, but in the report still show as F because we did not transfer the grade to update the systems. So you need to click transfer the grade, then they will update the grade accordingly. After that, you need to print the grade again. Please recheck the scores and the grade again before you submit the report to Division of Registers. Both grade result from the scores and adjust grade result have to be matched 100%, except for the grade that you give to the student for I and M. These scores, once you submit the report to Division of Register, we will send the report of I and M back to the schools. Then you can manually writing the correction of the grade I and M. There will be the time period for the students who can submit the request to readjust the grade or readjust the score after the final exams. Once they contact you and they correct the grade or retake the exam or submit the work that you give them I or give them M, then you can write the grade for them in that report and send back to the division of registrars. However, if they did not contact you in the time period that given, you can manually give the scores that they get, either F or any grade that they get, and send back to division of registrar as well. So this is the end of the how to correct the grade and the score and INM. Thank you.